So found an issue replacing the carpet with my 1964 Galaxie here. One of the hydraulic cylinders for the convertible top was leaking. Turned out to be a lot easier and cheaper fix than I thought. Okay, this is my 1964 Mercury Monterey convertible, and this hydraulic cylinder ram is leaking from the top, so I need to take it out and replace it. Replacement I was able to find on eBay for like $121, not too bad. So to get this thing out, I'm doing it, as you can see, with the top up. I've also rolled up the windows to give it a little more support, and it's latched in the front, of course, so there shouldn't be any pressure on this. First thing to get out is this pin, and with the top up, it's nicely accessible right up here. The head faces this way, and then there's just a washer and pin on the back side. Now, easily able to get a needle nose plier in there, pull the pin out, and then to get this thing started to back out, I was able to get a channel lock on this side, and then squeeze it and push the pin out, then wedging a screwdriver in there to turn it out. So then, to get this out, it doesn't itself bolt in, it goes on some bushings. So you have to take out, this is poorly lighted in here, there's 3 bolts in here. You just take those out, then this plate comes off, and here you can see where the 3 bolts would go and the bushing. And then once that one's out, the other one, it just pulls off of. So I'm not going to do that quite yet because I'm going to take those hoses out. I got this $1 little basket here to catch the fluid, and I will catch back up with you once I've backed these off, 7/16 inch wrench, and pulled this thing out of here. Alright, so what I've done now is I used the old rod as it came out fully extended to set up about how this one should be extended when I put it back in. And these top plastic bushings did not come with it, so I removed those from the old one, put those on there. Now I'm just going to slide this thing back in, making sure to keep the outlet ports facing to the back like they were on the old one, and should go right back in. Replaced it, bled all the fluid out. Now that I forgot to really record for the video. So after the lines are attached, you want to remove the fill cap from the pump and fill it back up with fluid. Mine took about a half a quart actually through the whole process, so quite a bit. And on a 1964 transmission fluid earlier, they do use a hydraulic fluid. And then raise the top up just a little bit, down a little bit. You probably see air start coming into the lines pretty quickly once you start moving it. As soon as you see the air, just stop, top it back off. Once fluid runs out, start moving the top up and down again. Eventually, through that process of filling it and moving it, it'll bleed. And now, works like a charm. Panels are back in, and carpet's back in, and ready to go for a drive.